Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure Apple Pay is active on your device and that you've added a valid card. This lets Draftkings authenticate payments instantly. Once done, open the Draftkings app and sign in, then navigate directly to deposit or wallet. Don't wander through menus. You're initiating a payment flow, so have your device unlocked and biometrics ready. This reduces friction and prevents extra verification steps. Now let's move on to selecting Apple Pay and entering the actual deposit amount. Next, select Apple Pay from the deposit options. You'll see your default card and any other linked cards. Pick the one you want. Enter the deposit amount, making sure it fits Draftkings' minimum and maximum rules displayed on screen. After that, tap Confirm and complete authentication with Face ID or Touch ID. Apple Pay will show a final payment sheet. Make sure to read any hold or pending time info so you understand when funds become available. Finish by viewing your in-app wallet to confirm the deposit arrived and keep the transaction receipt for records. Draftkings usually reflects funds quickly. If the payment fails, make sure the card isn't expired, Apple Pay region matches your account, and the Draftkings app has necessary permissions. Sometimes removing and re-adding the card or restarting the device resolves token issues. If that doesn't work, capture the transaction ID and contact Draftkings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.